Hi, I'm Huw David and I'm Wolfson's Development Director. Having become a Wolfson student, we want you to feel a lifelong connection to the college, both as a student today and as an alumnus in 1 year, 3 year or 4 years' time. The Wolfson Alumni and Development Office engages alumni in the life of the college through regular communications, the college record, the annual Wolfson Plans and Prospects magazine, and our termly email update of news and activities, the Wolfsonian. In normal times, we also host several annual events, a reunion known as the Gordy each summer, the Wolfson London Lecture each spring, and periodic events around the world, to name but a few. So it's likely that you may well have more contact with the Alumni and Development Office after your time at Wolfson has come to an end, but when you will still be very much a member of the Wolfson community, wherever life takes you. But the Alumni and Development Office will still have a major impact on your time at Wolfson, even if imperceptibly. So much of what has made Wolfson such a special place is thanks to the generosity of alumni and other benefactors. From the Leonard Wolfson Auditorium I'm in now, the academic wing, and indeed all of the college's buildings, through to scholarships for students, travel awards and hardship bursaries. To give some recent examples of what fundraising has made possible at Wolfson, earlier this year nearly 300 donors, fellows, alumni, students and friends of the college gave on an unprecedented scale to a special coronavirus hardship appeal. It raised more than £270,000 for students in financial distress. And last year we appealed for donations to provide academics at risk of persecution in their home countries with a temporary safe place at Wolfson to continue their academic work and research. Thanks to the support of more than 100 alumni and friends, Wolfson will host at-risk academics for at least the next 6 years. And Wolfson continues to fundraise from alumni and friends because there is so much more we want to do. We want to offer more scholarships to reduce the cost of studying in Oxford, more travel awards to fund your research, more bursaries in case you encounter unexpected financial need. As state support for higher education diminishes by the year, it falls to colleges and universities to do more and more to provide support for their students, and Wolfson is committed to this. With my colleagues in the Alumni and Development Office and in the Communications Office, Claire Norton and Lisa Hayder, we are always keen to hear your thoughts on what more the college can do for its students. We encourage you to join us at events, to meet and talk to Wolfson alumni. Look out for us at lunch, in the cafe or at the general meeting, or in our office near the common room. We look forward to seeing you during your time at Wolfson and in the future.